Hello children, in this video we will look at questions that were asked in the International Maths Olympiad 2016-17 from the Mathematical Reasoning section for grade 3. Let's look at the questions. The first question is there on your screen. Ria wants to arrange the given house numbers in ascending order. Select the correct order. Ascending order means you have to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the biggest or the highest. How will I arrange that? Which will come first? The first number will be 7542. Then the next number will be 7924. Next number will be 7929, and then it will be 7954. So this is the order in which I can arrange the numbers in the ascending order, that is the smallest to the biggest. So what will be the order in terms of P, Q and R and S? First will be P, and then we will have S, and then we will have R, and then Q. P, S, R, Q. Correct answer here is option D. The difference between the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number formed by the given digits using each digit only once is dash. Which is the biggest 4-digit number that you will be able to form with the given digits? That is nothing but 9875. That is, you have to arrange the given digits in the descending order, that is from biggest to smallest. And which will be the smallest 4-digit number that you can form with the given digits? That will be nothing but 5789. Here you are arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Here you are arranging the digits from the smallest to the biggest, or in the ascending order. What will be the difference? The difference will be 4086. The correct answer here is option D, 4086. How many thousands, hundreds, tens and ones respectively should be added to obtain the largest 4-digit even number? Which is the largest 4-digit even number? The largest 4-digit even number is 9998. So how many thousands are required? 9 thousands and 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 8 ones. All these are to be added to obtain 9998. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer here will be option C. See, by mistake don't choose 9999 as your answer. They are asking for the largest 4-digit even number. So the largest 4-digit even number is 9998. The correct answer here for this question is option C. If diamond is equal to 7641, square is equal to 1426, then diamond plus square is equal to P, diamond minus square is equal to Q, then find P minus Q. How will we solve this? Diamond plus square, that is nothing but 7641 plus 1426. If you add this, what will you get? 9067. That will be the value of P. So value of P is 9067. And what is the value of Q? Value of Q is nothing but 7641 minus 1426, which is nothing but 6215. What is the answer that we have to find out? The answer that we have to find out is P minus Q. I know Q is 6215, P is 9067. So P minus Q is the difference between these two values. What is that? 2852. Correct answer here is option B. See, which of the following number sentences represent the shaded parts in the given figure? What is the shaded part in the first figure that is given here? How many parts are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8 parts, 3 parts are shaded, or this is nothing but 3 divided by 8. The shaded region in this figure is 3 out of 8. In this figure, there are 4 parts, and out of this 4 parts, how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. So 3 by 8 less than 2 by 4. Now what is 2 by 4? 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, or this is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. That is, if you look at this rectangle here, right, out of this rectangle, this part is shaded, right? Even though it is divided into 4 parts, this full part is shaded, this is not shaded. So this is equivalent to 1 by 2. So what will be your answer? 3 by 8 is less than 1 by 2. Correct answer is option A. The alternative way or the other way in which you can solve the question is, if you find out that this is 3 by 8, on the left hand side it has to be 3 by 8. Check which of the option has 3 by 8. There is only one option which has 3 by 8. That has to be your answer. Which of the following can be found from the information given on the box of candies? What is given here? Net quantity is 20 and cost is 20 multiplied by 10, that is 200. Net quantity, that is net quantity is 20 means there are 20 such Minties chocolate in the box, and cost is 20 multiplied by 10, 200, which means that there are 20 candies and cost of each candy is 10 rupees. Cost of each candy is 10 rupees, so the total cost is 200 rupees. Now, which of the following can be found from the information given? I can say it contains 20 candies. Yes, I can find that out, right? That's what I just said. And each candy costs 10 rupees. Definitely each candy costs 10 rupees. Cost of 20 candies is 20 rupees. No, that's wrong. Cost of 20 candies was how much? Cost of 20 candies was actually 200 rupees. That's what is given here, right? 20 multiplied by 10, 200. So what can I find out? I can find out both A and B. So the correct answer, you should mark it as option D. Option D is your correct answer. A is also correct, B is also correct. But don't mark A and B as your answer. Your correct answer here is option D, both A and B. What is the total weight of box P, Q and R? What is the weight of box P? This is 16 and this is 24. So box P has to weigh 18 kgs. How do I say 18 kgs? Ideally, if you have a scale, you have 16, let this be 16, then you will have 17, 23 and 24. This is how a normal scale will look like. So how many spaces are there between 16 and 24 actually? 1, 2, this is 1 space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, there are 8 spaces between 16 and 24. But here, what have they done? They have given 16 and then they are giving 24 like this. Or there is only 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces between 16 and 24. Or what does that mean? That means that each space represents 2 units. That is, if this is 16, this will be 18. So 17 will be in between these two. They have not written it explicitly, but you should understand 17 is in between these two. Similarly, if this is 18, this will be 20 and this will be 22. And what will come here? It will be 19, and if it comes, this would be 21. Between 20 and 22 it will be 21, and between 22 and 24 it will be 23. They have not given the 17, 19, 21 and all separately or written that explicitly, but you have to understand that. So here I have 16, so in between 16 and 18 it has to be 17, but here the pointer is pointing towards 18, so this is 18 kgs. Similarly, this is also 18 kgs, and what will this be? Here I have 32, so this will be 34 and this will be 36. So this is 36. Now what is the total weight of the 3 boxes? That is nothing but 36 plus 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18 is again 36, or I just have to do 36 plus 36. Or directly add 36 plus 18 plus 18. What will your answer be? 74 kg. Now, if you are getting confused with all of this, I am not able to understand about what this value represents, how did we get 80. If you have such confusions, the very easy way to solve this question. See, I know this answer, this value, right? It is near 16 kgs. I don't know what value it is, whether it is 17 or 18. I am not able to find out. I know it is near to 16 kgs. Let me just take it as 16 kg itself. Okay. And here, again, let me take this also as 16 kg itself because I am not sure. Or take it as 17 kg for that matter if you want. And this is between 32 and 40 kg. You can take it as 34 or 35, whichever value you want. If you add all of these 3 numbers, the answer that you get will definitely be greater than 50. That much I know. 16 plus 16 itself is 32. Then I am doing 32 plus 34. So my answer is going to be greater than 50. But look at the options given here. First option says 40. Definitely it cannot be 40. It cannot be 38 and it cannot be 42. So by looking at the options itself, I can easily eliminate the first 3 options. My correct answer option anyway has to be none of these. What I am trying to say is that to solve this question, you don't even have to find out what the exact weight in each cases and then add them up. By looking at the options itself very clearly, even if you can get an estimate or an approximate value of what the answer would be, you will be able to eliminate option A, B and C, and you can say that the correct answer option here will be option D, none of these. Find the values of P and Q respectively. What will be the value of P and Q here? There is a subtraction that is happening here. So 6 minus 8, I can't do 6 minus 8, so I borrow from here. This will become 1 and this will become 16. And what is 16 minus 8? 16 minus 8 is 8. So the value of Q is 8. Which is the option which has value Q as 8? Option A. That has to be your answer. No other go. There is no other option which has value of Q as 8. Is there any other option which has value of Q as 8? Not there. Mark that as the answer. Move to the next question. Don't even waste your time finding out what is the value of P. P obviously has to be 1. Here I can just find it out for you because we are practicing questions here, but in the examination at this point, stop solving the question, go to the next question. Managing your time is very, very important in the examination, and you should not be wasting time on questions where you have already found out the answer. Looking at the options is many times helpful like this to arrive at the answer. What is the missing number in the box? What will be the missing number in the box? See, there is some number which you are multiplying by 8, and the answer that you get, you are subtracting 4 from it, and the answer that you get, you are adding 10 to it, and then from the answer that we get again, we are adding 1, and the final answer should be 23. We have to find out what is the number that will come in the box. The best way to solve this question is to check with the options that is given. So here what should, let us try to put 3 here. So what will I get? 3 multiplied by 8. What is 3 multiplied by 8? 3 8s are 24. And what is 24 minus 4? 24 minus 4 is 20. What is 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 is 30. And what is 30 plus 1? 30 plus 1 is 31. No, that's not the answer that I am looking for. I should get the answer as 23. So this option is wrong. Now let us try with 5. I have 5 8s are 40, and then what do? I do 40 minus 4, which is 36, and then I get 36 plus 10, which is 46, and 46 plus 1, that is not equal to 23. Option B is also wrong. Let's try with option C, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16, 16 minus 4 is 12, 12 plus 10 is 22, and 22 plus 1 is 23. Yes, option C satisfies this operation, and I am getting the answer as 23. Option C is my correct answer option. 2 is the correct answer here. I hope the questions that we solved from this section was clear to all of you. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments box. I will be happy to help you. Thank you.